So today is like a party, and I am so excited that you're here with me for this exciting 1-year YouTube anniversary contest. If you've been a friend since I started my channel, thank you so much for your support. I've loved getting to know all of you here on YouTube. And if you've been lurking or you're new here, don't be shy. Please subscribe so we can get to know each other better. And make sure to leave me a comment in that comment section below. I'm really active in the comment section, and this is a welcoming, positive community here on Artsy Cupcake, so do not be shy. I can't believe I've been on YouTube for 1 year. Time really does go fast. And today I have a few announcements that I want to make, and then I have a 1-year anniversary / 2,000 subscriber giveaway. So make sure to keep watching for the details on how to win. So 1 year ago, I decided I wanted to start a YouTube channel. I had actually been thinking about it for probably years before that, but 1 year ago, I actually decided to go ahead and do it. As you probably already know, I'm a full-time graphic designer, so I love being creative so much that I made a whole career out of it. But the creativity doesn't just stay in my office. I've always loved decorating my home by redoing a room or designing a tablescape for the holidays or doing a DIY. I enjoy being creative with my wardrobe and shopping my own closet, putting together pieces that are unique and interesting. And then I love being creative in the kitchen. I'm so visually focused that I love creating food that's beautiful and tastes good, and well, cupcakes are just my favorite little thing to decorate. So that's why I'm here, to share all of my ideas that otherwise would have just stayed in my home and been kept to myself. And so I started my YouTube channel so I could share all of my ideas with you and give you creative inspiration so that you can make life as creative as it can be. In the second year of my YouTube channel, I plan on doing 1 to 2 videos per week, and I want to introduce a few new series. I already started my Artsy Cupcake collab, which is for all of us creators to share our content together in a very creative playlist. I did a video with all of the details on that, so if you like sharing cupcake recipes or if you like doing DIYs, then check that out because the first playlist in that series will go live on September 8th. I plan on doing the Artsy Cupcake Challenge collab every season or holiday, so make sure to subscribe so you know when all of those collabs are coming up. This year, I also want to hone in on videos that inspire creativity. I feel most of my videos have done that in my first year, but in this second year, I plan on doing a cupcake series that focuses on that, and then a fashion series that will share some creative ideas there too. Now, I don't want to give too much away, but you will be hearing about those very soon. Everyone has seemed to love my DIYs and my home decor, so I will keep going strong with those videos. And then I'll also throw in a few reviews on products and services here and there, but creativity in your life and home will be my #1 focus. If you have anything else that you would like to see from me, please let me know in the comment section below there. I create all these videos for you, and I want to make sure that you're enjoying all the content that I'm bringing you. An exciting announcement is that I have an Artsy Cupcake store now, and you can get to it from the store link on my blog, artsycupcake.com, or you could click the link in the description box below and you'll go right to it. I have all kinds of fun items like mugs, sweatshirts, t-shirts, canvas bags, towels, and a bunch of other fun stuff. And I would really appreciate it if you would check that out, and hopefully something will catch your eye. Okay, now on to this giveaway. For this giveaway, I want to inspire creativity, and what better way to do that than to give away a Wilton Ultimate Cake Decorating Tools set. Now, this isn't a knockoff. I think for some items it's worth buying a brand name, and in the cake decorating business, Wilton is known for their cake decorating tools. This is a $179 value, and it comes with 263 pieces for creating cake decorations with buttercream, royal icing, fondant, and gum paste. Plus, it comes with a really nice caddy, and it has little see-through drawers so you can peek inside and grab what you need quickly. There really is everything that you might need, like buttercream decorating tips and decorating bags, spatulas, fondant decorating accessories like a roller and some decorating brushes. I'm not going to list everything that's in there, but I will link the one that I'm giving away in the description box below so you can read up on it, or just go ahead and buy one for yourself if you can't wait to find out who wins. This wasn't sent to me or sponsored or anything, so I will be buying this myself and sending it directly to you. I just thought it would be the perfect gift for someone who is either new to baking or decorating cakes, or it would be great for somebody who's experienced too. I will put all the details for the giveaway in the description box below, and I am doing this giveaway through Gleam, which I've used in the past, and they make it really easy to enter. There are a bunch of ways you can enter, such as making a comment on my blog or through Twitter or through Instagram, so it's your choice, but make sure to get in all the entries that you can so you have a better chance to win this Wilton Ultimate Cake Decorating Toolkit. And if you can't wait to see if you won, go ahead and click that link to buy the set for yourself. I will put the link to the decorating set and the link to the giveaway in the description box below this video, along with all the details on the giveaway. I'll be doing more giveaways in the future, so if you like that type of thing, definitely subscribe so you don't miss out on those. And again, a big thank you to all my friends here on Artsy Cupcake. I would give you a big hug if I could, and good luck on the giveaway. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.